Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
Wingstop.
Today we have Wingstop. We're gonna do a thumbnail, honey.
Me? You can't hold the plate. Me want hold my chicken.
Okay. We are gonna dig in, and today I have Parmesan garlic chicken. Parmesan garlic chicken wings. I have carrots. We have the rolls. We have some Cajun fried corn. We have the voodoo fries. Richie have his barbecue wings, and he also have some rolls, and then we have some ranch. Now,
AKA Lucy.
why are we eating Wingstop, my love?
Cause it's what?
Fast Food Fridays.
I couldn't even talk. What? That's what.
They know it's Fast Food Friday.
I'm hungry.
I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving.
Yep.
And I'm not really a fan of ranch, but something about Wingstop's ranch is really good.
Yeah. Brown one. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I think it was good too.
It was delicious.
And you see those clips.
I was hungry.
You heard? You heard what she said? She's hungry, okay? Okay. Okay. She's hungry. Let's see what happened. Remember you say you're hungry enough? Ooh, the fries up, all the fries in them. Nice with cheese in them. Well, it's good.
You wanna try one?
I'm taking mine. Yeah.
First time trying garlic parmesan.
It's nice.
It's good.
Family, I forgot again to tell them to give me flats. I like the flat. Wow, the beer.
Family, the food is really good.
Where's the tongue? Can't I see it? No. Got it? I gotta wrap my beer back on.
You didn't bring your elastic band?
Actually, I did.
You misplaced it.
Family, how y'all doing though? You know, I still gotta sprinkle some of this. You want some of my thing? You sure? Alright, cause I know when I start sprinkling my thing, you know. How y'all been doing, man?
Oh my gosh, is everyone still full from Thanksgiving?
For real? For real? That's a good question. Roll. Kind of sweet.
How does it taste?
Kind of sweet.
Yeah?
It's sweet, yeah.
These fries are banging.
I like the corn. Good.
Let me tell you something.
Tell them.
The last time we had Wingstop, I promise you we couldn't stop thinking about it.
Been a while.
But every time we say we're gonna have Wingstop, we're like, we can't have Wingstop every Friday now.
For real, real. What you drinking?
Oh, I'm drinking a Coca-Cola.
Fanta strawberry. You know?
Oh yeah, I love strawberry soda. I should have got that.
I can give you one here. Take one. There we go, a little rotation.
I love the Coke machines that they have in the stores now.
Oh yeah? Really?
It's better. To me, it tastes fresh.
Pick as much as you want. I'm trying to carry them.
Of course.
First, I gotta eat my green. Look.
I mean, your oranges. Oh, man.
This is good. Good choice. I'm hungry. You
Good
hungry,
choice.
right?
I'm hungry.
Wow.
I feel like we just keep on saying,
So why you so bad?
I can't help myself.
You want to eat bad?
When food tastes good, that's all you can say. Is
He had a banging Thanksgiving.
We do have food left over, but
Yeah, tell him.
we wanted to do our Fast Food Friday.
Tell him.
Usually, our food.
That's like what?
How long do you guys eat your Thanksgiving after Thanksgiving?
Yeah, for real.
Well, in our house, about 3 days. And after that, we're tired of it.
Yeah.
But by the 3rd day, everything's basically done.
Good. That's true.
When it's almost Thanksgiving,
Yeah.
I try not to cook stuff that I know I'm gonna cook on Thanksgiving.
Yeah. That's good. Cause you reminisce about it more. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Because then you're like, oh my gosh, I can't wait. But if you had oxtail a few days ago, before Thanksgiving, you'll be like, oh, okay.
No. I could have the oxtail before Thanksgiving and still eat it at Thanksgiving. Worse, I was expensive. See, y'all forgot about me. I'm still waiting for my cow. Yeah.
We had oxtail for Thanksgiving.
My favorite. You full little lady with your little mouth?
Not yet.
A little good to try.
You guys know we're hungry.
A lot of talking.
We're not talking that much.
You talk a lot now. Good.
We're soon shut door.
You talk a lot now, first lady. I rubbed off now. You talk more than me.
Yeah?
You know what I'm saying? You talk more than me. You talk good stuff. They like to listen when you talk good stuff.
It's nice and well done too, the wings.
This barbecue sauce, what they use?
It's hitting.
I don't know what kind of barbecue sauce they got. But this barbecue sauce is different. Damn, I'm gonna chop out the mouth now. Ooh, the fries are going. I feel like they put a spin on me now.
The Cajun fries taste almost like my Cajun turkey, my fried Cajun turkey.
It does?
That I made for Thanksgiving.
They didn't give us this bread before.
I ordered it because ooh,
See?
I want to see how it tastes.
Okay. It's sweet. I'm like a Hawaiian bread.
The Hawaiian bread? I didn't realize. Oh, you're doing good, my love.
Even if I'm not doing well, you're gonna stay here.
I didn't realize that the bread was so big. The bread is big though.
The ranch is nice.
The ranch is
It tastes
really
different,
good.
yeah.
And I don't like ranch, like I said before. What?
Don't matter.
Your food always dropping. What one?
I didn't want it. You know what? I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, huh? You going to do one already?
Yeah, man. I got me, sir.
You really like the ranch?
Ranch is really good.
This barbecue
It's different.
different. It hit different. Oh, wrapped it.
Listen to me. When I buy carrot from the store, it don't taste like that.
These one is organic grown. It's true. That one tastes crunchier, more crunchy, right? What
It's sweeter.
Yeah.
Let me find out Wingstop have a farm.
Right, so you see how orange it is?
Yeah.
And people, family, there's a carrot, make you see better.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So, feed up your carrots. You ready now?
I'm my daughter.
Right, be down, son.
I can't help you that. Come on, I have to do this like I'm washing clothes.
I'm gonna start straightening up my beard. You probably right now they're running here. Don't do that. How much did they give us?
Wings?
Yeah.
You had 8, I had 7.
Oh,
And I gave you 1.
mine? So we have more. That's tough.
So basically, it's Black Friday today. Has anyone gone out shopping? Because we already did our thing already.
Sure did. Sure did.
I told you what I like to do. City furniture is a come up.
Yeah, go try it. That's a greedy couple hack. So go check it out.
I hope they don't. Because some states, what if they're telling them that they're not doing it any, this year because of COVID?
Well, I don't know. All right, we'll see.
But they do it, guys.
They'll do it. Definitely do it. Yeah, they believe us.
So we have Tamia and Vincent. They want to see if we have any food left so they can eat it. And we have Sasha in the background. You see, they already have their food.
They still want.
But they still want
They're living that life.
our food.
They're living that life. Especially a greedy daughter. Yeah. And family, my daughter volleyball is about to start up. I'm gonna show you some clips of her. My little athlete.
She got it from you, she didn't get it from me.
She get her shape from you.
Shape.
She get athlete from me. Athlete from me, son. Wrap me down.
Oh, nothing is there. It's good today. You like the ranch better?
Remember last time I ate, I thought it was blue cheese. I can't tell the difference. I like it, cause you know why? Your mom always remind me of them. But back then when KFC was real good with the barbecue in them.
Yeah. That's my favorite thing to get at KFC is the barbecue wings.
I know they weigh him. They don't get two each. Alright, struck me on him there.
No one? Put yum?
Nice. The parents they're eating too. Yeah. Take one. Parmesan tastes good.
I'm going in, guys.
Did you eat corn yet?
Who?
You?
Yeah. Me and my
For real?
brother. I ate.
I ate 2. This is what made 3.
This is my 4th one.
Oh, that's good.
I'm trying to move it slow.
I moved on. I tried to call him because trust me, I didn't see you eating the corn then.
I was eating it.
Excuse me. You're moving fast then. You feel better now?
I was hungry. Let me tell you something. The worst thing to do and get hungry is 2 things. Go to the grocery store. That's number 1. And drive.
Yep.
Because when you're hungry and you're driving and you already got your food, it seems like everybody's in your way. Oh, excuse me.
Oh. Let me get my napkin, please.
Sure. Everybody's in your way. Everybody want to drive slow.
Oh, I almost forgot.
And I'm saying to myself, hello, I'm hungry. I got to get home.
Pastor Rich is in the building. Yeah, I think I forgot. I sure didn't. Hey, you like when I said Pastor today? Can you eat up the food? This is for all the ladies. First lady, lady gang, because you know it's all ladies on your platform. Word of wisdom. A smart woman knows emotions, can teach. A wise woman will use them to grow.
That's a good one.
You like that one? Here again. A smart woman knows emotion can teach. A wise woman will use them to grow. That's for the ladies. No? Give ladies them something today to think about. Yeah, you moving fast, son. You know what? I'm gonna stop doing it with them because you moving fast, D. You move fast, yo.
Let's think I like me at time. I'm a hungry man.
First, you were hungry today.
I was hungry. I'm starting to get full finally.
And we was on the road right up and down too. So, you trying your phone now? You did good.
I know.
Yeah, alright.
We had to get our sale on. I'm telling you guys about my Ashley furniture. You can get 1-1.
I'm eating this last one, and then right here, that's theirs.
Yeah.
And then split. You want me to sit that one here? Come back and sit down.
We're gonna give the kids these 2 wings because they're by the door.
So it's soccer.
More like Tamia.
Damn, family, I don't tell me my beard looking like Santa Claus.
You know you could you could put some dye, some temporary dye and spray it white.
Oh yeah.
Black Santa. And do you guys have the voodoo fries when you go to Wingstop? Because
Is it other fries they do?
yeah, they have regular fries. They have just Cajun fries.
Why they call it voodoo?
I guess because they put ranch, cheese. It's basically a loaded fries, but they would have their own name.
Oh, makes sense. So we're gonna spill right now. I appreciate y'all always. See the families growing, you know, one day at a time. Appreciate that. Shared with y'all. So don't forget to comment, subscribe if you're new. And we are the greedy couple. And they are for 30.
You guys are the greedy family.
We still eating. They still there. They still there.
Oh yeah, I see them.
Okay. Yes, that was spectacular.
Freaking delicious. I feel better now. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.